This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about wood risers, specifically these round acacia risers. We have the medium round natural acacia riser. It's 6 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. It features these wonderful varnished bark edges for a nice texture and feel. It's also available in a small size that has a 4-inch diameter with a 2-inch height, and a large size with a 10-inch diameter and a 5-inch height. They're made from beautiful, durable acacia wood, and they have a great food-safe varnish on them that really helps to highlight and enhance that beautiful wood grain and color. They're made to hold up to long-term heavy use, and they're perfect for creating height and texture and adding warmth to your displays, whether those are apps and canapes or desserts. And I even like using the larger ones as cake stands. They make a wonderful way to elevate a cake and add just a little bit of that natural touch and warmth. They feature hollow bottoms, which means that they're not only durable and can really hold some weight, but they're actually lightweight, so they're easy to transport if you're taking things to other venues and sites. So I really love these as opposed to, say, solid, heavy wood slabs, especially if you're using ones with thicker widths, because these are so lightweight and easy to handle. They're perfect for setups that range from casual to formal, and they're great for a variety of different food establishments, caterers, or just entertaining at home when you're looking to make a really lovely display and really impress your guests.